Today I will discuss about the pandemic situation and its pros and cons on student life. So what is your daily routine during pandemic situation?
During pandemic situation, I was completely boxed in my room. I was doing my online working, online learning from the YouTube channel. I learned that I take the lectures on Zoom app, and then I learn and they give voice notes on the WhatsApp. That's all my routine.
So what is new thing that you have learned from?
I have learned that how beautifully we can use the technology for the learning, for the education. I think that online system is not bad. It is another system. The online and physical system are both different dimensions and different things. If we use it accurately and perfectly, so it will be a huge, beneficial for the youth.
So what is pros and cons of pandemic situation?
Pros and cons. If we talk about the pros, it will be, we can say that it enhance the use of technology. The basic use of how we can use it beautifully means that our youth came to know how do we earn online, how we can earn online from the YouTube, from the Facebook, from the Fiverr, People Pro, or some like places on the YouTube. So they come to know they make their YouTube channel, and as they were free, so they sit home and they make their videos. So it is a pros, and cons you can say that they were unemployed.
Do you think so that physical classes can be, online classes can replace physical classes?
I have already told you that they both are different. We can't compare between them. Online classes have its own pros and cons, and physical classes have its own benefits. So both are good if we use them perfectly. I will give you example of online. If you use Zoom app, you can say that if you are using a Zoom app and the classes are engaged, so you can use the net.
Excuse me,